Hello mga ka-learning, this is Teacher Chaay. Welcome back to my channel, English for All Seasons. In today's video, I shall discuss figures of speech or figurative language that are used in a text or in a literary piece. Figures of speech or figurative language are expressions that deviate or different from their literal meanings so as to create a more vivid effect. Figures of speech add beauty and color to language. Let's have the following commonly used figures of speech:
simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, apostrophe, and irony. Simile. Simile is used to show comparison of two unrelated things with the use of as, like, or as if. For example, she walks like a dog. In the sentence, what are compared? She and dog, using like. Another example, she commands as if she were the boss, who are compared? She and boss, using as if. Always remember for simile, we used as, like, or as if in comparing unrelated objects or things. Metaphor. Metaphor is a comparison of unlike things or actions without using as, like, or as if. For example, Lydia de Vega was a bullet during the race. What are compared? Lydia de Vega and a bullet without using as if, or like. Another example is Regine Velasquez is a star. What are compared? Regine Velasquez is compared to a star without the use of like, as, or as if. Remember, in metaphor, comparison does not use as, like, or as if, thus considered a direct comparison. Personification. Personification is the giving of human characteristics and capabilities to things which are inanimate or non-human. For example, the sun winks at me. In this sentence, the sun has given life and acts as a human being because of the action word winks. Let's have another example. The hungry flames ate all the houses of wood and materials. In here, the flames were given human characteristic. Take note for personification, non-living things act or do something which living things are capable of doing. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is an overstatement or exaggeration which is intended to emphasize and not to mislead. For example, I have 1,000 things to do. I could not join you today. 1,000 things to do shows exaggeration. Another example, I've grown white hair waiting for you, but you did not show up. Grown white hair waiting for you shows overstatement. These sentences show exaggeration or overstatement to give special effect to one's feeling or thought. Apostrophe. Apostrophe is a figure of speech in which one addresses the absent or present, or one addresses the inanimate as if alive. For example, "Oh, Dr. Rizal, come and help our current government leaders put in place the problems of the country today." In this example, someone is talking to Dr. Rizal as if he is alive. We have another example. Christmas, will you be kind enough to bring in abundance what my little child wishes to have? In this example, someone is talking to inanimate as if present. This figure of speech addresses the dead or inanimate objects as though they could hear, or the absent as though they are present. Irony. irony is one which expresses the opposite of what is said. It is quoted sarcasm. The intended meaning of the words is the direct opposite of their usual sense. For example, it was very polite of you to have answered back your parent. In this sentence, polite is the opposite of answered back. Let's have another example. You have just retired. You're too young to start a new job. In this example, retired is the opposite of young. So, for irony, we express something in words that mean their opposite. Always remember, figures of speech are words used in a sense different from the literal definition for the purpose of producing clearness, force, beauty, and memorableness of expression.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the lesson that we have today.